means in which module and which field you are working, then we'll start.
Yeah, ma'am. As my name is Akanksha Sen, I belongs from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Currently, I'm staying in Bangalore. I have completed my graduation and post graduation from Raipur, Chhattisgarh only. My
Hmm.
graduation was a BSc Biology. After that, I have done my MBA specialization HR and marketing. So after my MBA, I joined
Hmm.
like first company as a recruiter, HR recruiter. So I worked there about 8 months. After the COVID, I joined Rama Crop Science. About 1 year, I worked
Hmm.
there as a HR executive. Now, from past 2 years, I have been working here in Bangalore. Company name is Dalvicot. So here I am working as a HR generalist. So I'm handling overall
Hmm.
all aspects of HR, included recruitment,
Oh, okay.
employee life cycle, and the payroll, some part of payroll attendance.
Hmm.
So now I'm just looking for the course of SAP
Hmm.
as a SAP consultant. So I just wanted to learn more so that I can expand my career. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank
So,
you.
do you have any idea about what is SAP HR, what it means, and what are the roles are there in SAP? Do you have any idea about
I
this?
just Yes, ma'am. So I just studied little bit about this
Hmm.
SAP, which is giving in HR that there is some leave, attendance, performance management, training and development. So that all in that records you can work. And more,
Hmm.
I just wanted to know that as I my background was biology, so I just wanted to learn technical.
Yeah. See, if you are already in recruitment, so you know the HR functions and all, so it will easy for you to learn the SAP. Okay.
Yes,
And if
yes,
you know
ma'am.
the client handling, if you can do easily client, if you are doing the client handling properly, if you know the how
Mm-hmm.
to do the things, how to configure the systems, so definitely you will quickly you will learn the SAP SCM. So I'll tell
Yes,
you the
yes.
what is SAP, what's the scope of SAP if you are if you want to learn the SAP. So what the scope of SAP SCM. So let's start. I'll give you the brief. Okay, demo I'll give
Mm.
you. So SAP is a software. Means in your company you are using one software to record the employee data, right?
Yes,
Means
yes, yes.
so record the employee data, to record the attendance absence or to daily working activities of the employee. And you are using one software or system, we can say, to pay the employees who is working in your company, right?
Yeah, yeah, correct.
So yeah, so SAP is a one software so for the system application product. So SAP is a tool like other technology. SAP is a kind of technology which record the employee information related to employee profile, means the employee profile, time management, the payroll one. So in
Mm-hmm.
SAP, different modules, like as we are
Okay,
from
yeah.
the MBA background, or your specialization is in HR. So for
Yes.
us, for HR person, SAP SEM is easy to understandable, means we can easily
Mm-hmm.
understand about SAP because we know the HR functionalities, we know the what's the role of the
Mm-hmm.
HR in the organization, we know the
Yes, yes.
structures of HR. So it will easy for us to learn the SAP SIM. In SAP we have like SAP FICO, we have SAP FICO, we can say SAP SD. So we have multiple modules in SAP. Means SAP is a one
Mm-hmm.
software which is expanded in the multiple technology, like we can say the HR department we are using, in a finance we are
Mm-hmm.
using, in a sales and development we are using. Okay, so in
Yes,
SAP
yes.
SM we have two roles, one is functional and second one is technical. Okay, so what is
Mm-hmm.
functional? Functional means we are from the MBA background, we don't have any IT knowledge, right? We are just
Yes,
new
yes.
in the just we don't have any IT knowledge, right? And if we want
Mm-hmm.
to enter in the IT field, so this is the
Yes.
one technology from where we can enter in the IT field. So functional and the technical. Technical is the
Yes.
technical person is from the BTech background, and functional one is from the MBA. Means functional can be a
Mm-hmm.
BTech one, MBA one, but for us, we are from MBA background, so we called as a SAP SCM functional consultant. So as a functional,
Yeah.
what is our role? I'll tell. So as a functional, so in SAP we have different modules. Means
Mm-hmm.
SAP we have modules. Okay. First we can say enterprise structure. Enterprise structure we have. So what is enterprise? Means if you want to start a one company, so for
Yeah.
that company, yeah, if you are planning to start the company, so before starting the
Mm-hmm.
company, you need some details like where from where we will start, what the location
Mm-hmm.
for our company, which location we are going to start our company. Okay, what all the
Mm-hmm.
department we are going to start or we are going to keep on in our company. Like so,
Yeah.
enterprise means yeah, company code. So for
Mm-hmm.
starting the company, first we need what different identification number will give to us to give our company. So that is called
Yes.
company code. For example, TCS, they have their own company code. They have their own name. They are registered
Mm-hmm.
under the company registered company code, right? Company Registration
Yeah.
Act, because they are registered in the under the laws. So first we have to decide what company code will give to our company. Okay, what location
Mm-hmm.
will means in which location we are going to start. For example, Bangalore. So you are going to start a one consultancy firm, right? For the recruitment
Mm-hmm.
consultant you are going to start. You will see the Bangalore is the hub, is the IT hub. So easily
Mm-hmm.
we'll get the tender from the IT companies that they want different technologies, employees. They want different kind of resources. So will
Yeah.
provide easily will provide in Bangalore. So you are
Yes.
planning to open a company in Bangalore. So for your company, what location you are going to means where you are going to open. Okay, so this is okay. Personal structure. Okay, this is personal structure. Personal area. Personal area.
Mm-hmm.
Now the personal sub area. Personal sub area. This is the location. This is the sub location. Okay. So in a personal sub area means sublocation. Sublocation means this is a location. In this location, what all the department you are going to open, what all the
Yes.
department you are going to start. For example, mainly you are a recruitment consultancy. So first you need
Mm-hmm.
HR department. Okay, in
Yes.
HR department for paying the salary to the employee. So we need finance department which control all the finance things like the expenses
Mm-hmm.
and the payroll things they are going to be work. Okay, so we have to decide means what all the departments we want in our company. So this is the structure. Means in SAP we have different structure. We can say enterprise structure we have, then personal structure we have. Mean personal we can say the employee group, employee subgroup. So for example, in your company you have multiple kind of employees, like we can say permanent employee, contractual employee you have, third party employee you have, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is
Yes.
the
Yes.
part, yeah. So this is the personal structure. Means in my company, how many types of employees are there? Means how we group all these employee in a different kind. Means how I'll identify which type of employee you are. For example, I'm saying means that you are a contractor. So I have to give some different number to you. So easily I can
Mm-hmm.
get this. You are a contractor employee in our company. So this thing we have to design in the system. Okay,
Yeah.
now we have a time management. So time management, what is time management? Like you are saying that attendance, absence. So yeah, time
Mm-hmm.
management it's a part of SAP HCM. It's a module. Means in SAP
Mm-hmm.
HCM, we can say these are the points from enterprise to payroll. our SAP SCM looks like. Means in SAP, if
Mm-hmm.
you start your career in SAP SCM, so in SAP you, it's not mandatory you are going in only one structure. Means they'll assign you enterprise structure project. They will assign you the time management project. They'll assign you in the payroll project, right? So
Yeah.
it is meant for us to learn all these modules, because it's a, we can say it's a dependent, each and every module is dependent on everyone. Mean it's, enterprise is
Mm-hmm.
dependent on the personal structure, because company code we have personal area. In company we have a different kind of employee group, we can say, in employees,
Mm-hmm.
because from where the employee will come in, it's a part of the company, right? In our company we have different employees. We can
Yes.
say permanent employee, and we can say the contractor. For these employee, we are recording the attendance. We are keeping, we are fetching the information. Means what's the working time of this employee. For example, your working time is 9 to 6. So how my system, how I know that your working time is this one. So for this also we have to create some system, like, so this is the time
Yes.
management. When we create the work schedule, for example, you are working in the Bangalore location. So in Bangalore,
Mm-hmm.
we have different kind of leaves. We can say you are working on Monday to Friday. So
Yes.
I'm creating this. I'm storing all the information of yours in my system, that this is Akanksha and her working time is 9 to 6, and her
Mm-hmm.
shift is Monday to Wednesday, we can say, Monday to Friday, we can say. So it's a part of time management. So in time management we'll configure all the attendance, we configured absences, we can configure. We can configure daily working hours. Means for example, you are working 9 hours. In 9 hours we are giving you the break also, it's a paid break. So all these things we have to configure in the time management. Okay, sorry. Now the payroll. Time management. Before time management, we have one more, personal administration. Okay, so what is personal administration? Personal management, we can say, means from this module, personal administration, we are hiring the multiple employees. Means we are using the actions. We can say I hire you in the company. So which
Mm-hmm.
module I'm using to hire you? Which module I'm using to store your information in my system? This is the one, personal administration. From this module
Okay.
I am hiring you action. Okay, from this module only I am terminating you from, means from the organization. From this module I am giving you the promotion. From this
Mm-hmm.
module I'm giving you, I'm changing the organizational assignment of you. So this is the module from where we can hire, we can terminate, we can promote, we can separate the employee in the organization. So this one also we have to configure in the system, because it's a part of the SAP SCM. We
Yeah.
start the company in, we decide, we create the location in the system. We are creating the structure, kind of, this is my company. For this company code, my location is this one, and for this location I have this department. Okay, in this department I have different employee group. So we are assigning all these things to together. Means like from company code I'm assigning personal area. From personal area
Mm-hmm.
I am assigned to my personal sub area. So all these things are part of the SAP SCM. So see what happened, and the payroll is also there. Payroll. So if you learn SAP SCM, so you have to learn all the module. Enterprise you have to learn, time
Mm-hmm.
management, because if you are planning to, means move in the SAP SCM career, so it is mandatory, because it is, we don't know if you are, if I'm going to join the SEG, if I'm going to join the TCS. It is not mandatory. They give me only SAP SCM module, full module they will give me. Maybe they will assign me time management project, they will assign me in payroll project, they will assign me in personal administration. So it's easy
Yeah.
for you to learn SAP ACM if you are going to start. It's a good part, because I am also from the recruitment background, and then I've done my SAP certification course. I have learned a lot about the SAP SCM, what is SAP SCM, how to configure and all. Then slowly I learn about the SAP SCM. Still I am learning. Currently
Yeah.
I'm in,
Okay.
and earlier in previous company I was in payroll. Now they assign me time
Mm-hmm.
management.
Mm-hmm.
So it will be easy for you if you are going to start for the SAP HCM training. So easily you can learn because the scope is high.
Yeah,
SAP
yeah,
is,
yeah.
yeah, MNC is demanding for the SAP HCM. They are looking for the, even they are looking for the freshers. They are looking for the experienced candidate.
Yes,
Means
yes,
as
yes.
compared to HR, SAP HCM is good for us because we are from the MBA background. We don't
Yeah,
have
yeah, yeah.
any means we can this is a thing which we can easily enter in the IT industry if you want to enter in the IT.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, correct,
So
correct, correct.
yeah, this is all about the SAP SCM. So it's not
Okay.
that tough as compared to other model because in SAP we have finance, we have sales and distribution, we have we can say a personal PS project assignment we have. So we have multiple modules, but SAP SCM is a module which is seriously it is very easy as compared to other module. Easily we can learn easily because we have a
Yes, yes.
knowledge about the HR. See,
Mm-hmm.
recruitment, you are working on the recruitment. In SAP we have one module is recruitment, we have performance management, we have, but it's all the
Mm-hmm.
part of the SAP SM. It comes under the SAP SM. If we are going to means implement this in any company, because normally the our company, the client, which they are using the time management and payroll.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Time
yeah,
and
yeah, correct.
time are more demanding means as compared to other module it's demanding technology. In payroll I'll explain you means for example in your salary slip what all the things will come basic salary, so we'll see how to configure the basic salary in the system, how will we
Mm-hmm.
are going to pay the employee. For example, you are the end user. You are working in a consultancy. I
Mm-hmm.
am a consultant. So you are my client, and you are saying that you want this payroll module in your company, and from this module you are going to pay to you are going to pay to the employees. So
Mm,
for
yeah,
your company, for example, you give me this is the wage type we are giving. For example, basic pay they are giving to you, HRA or transport allowance they are giving to you. So in my system, I'm going to configure all these things, wage types. I'm going to configure. Then I'll check how to fit how to process the wage type, how to create the
yes, yes,
records
yes.
and all. Then end user will process the payroll and it will credit in your account. So all these are comes under the SAP
Yeah,
HCM.
okay. I have a one question. Can I ask?
You can ask.
Okay. How many days this certification course is? What is the duration?
See, it's depend on you. Means it's means you can say 1 month, you can say 2 months. Depends on how much you are learning. Means because
Mm-hmm.
it's a lengthy means if I'm going to train you in the enterprise structure. So enterprise
Yeah.
structure, I'll train you about the company code. I'll explain you all the scenarios, how to create.
Mm.
I'll give you personal area scenarios, how to create, how to link the personal area to company code, how it works, how
Mm-hmm.
system like. So this is the SAP system. We can say this is the SAP one.
Okay.
Depends on you means how much. Just a minute.
Okay,
Wait.
as
This is a just.
I have a work experience, so I can learn easily. Right, means
Yeah,
that
you
is
can
which is
learn easy, but if you enter in the SAP SCM role, means if any company hire you, so they hire you as a
yeah, I
fresher.
do as a fresher. Yeah, for SAP consultant, they'll hire as a fresher only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And the fee structure and
See,
all,
these
that
are the modules.
class module will be online, offline,
It's online.
online, right?
Yeah, it's online. I'll share you the training material and all the questions. Means what all the questions in interview
It's an
they'll
interview.
ask.
They ask.
Interview. So I'll
Mm-hmm.
give you the all material and all.
Okay. And timings, classes timings.
Mm, classes timing, I don't know. Let me ask this to Sana because what's your shift timing?
I'm doing general shift 9:30 to 6:30.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I'm working 6 day here. That is actually this is a group of company. So IT and hospital. So 6 day working. I
Okay.
wanted to do this course actually. It's a fix
Uh-huh.
from my side. So SAP HCM I wanted to do. So I just wanted to know the timing and the fee structure.
You can ask this Susanna or this online career.
Hello. Hello, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. Regarding the fee structure, we will discuss, Akansha. Regarding the timings,
Uh,
if you want any specific time requirement, you can discuss here. If ma'am is also available at that time, we can have the sessions likewise.
See, my shift timing is started 6:30 a.m. to 6 because I'm working in the EY. So after 6, I'm available. 7, 8,
Uh,
9, 10. Hmm.
a morning, right?
Yeah, morning 6:30 to means normal working hours is 6:30 to 3:30, but depends on the workload. So 6:30 to 6. See, after 6, I'm available. After 6, I'll
Okay.
give you the treat. Hmm. In
6
EY, we
p.m.
have
or 6
6 a.m. to 6 p.m. I'm working.
Okay.
12
That's the
hours
timing.
working, is it?
It's depend because EY